This is a boat that came in that had been sitting. As we can see, the sticker shows the last active sticker was 2013, so that's 7 years ago. And this is just sort of where we are today with this. So we did a quick check. We have spark. We pull the spark plugs out, ran a compression test. The compression was good, within range. And when one's been sitting like this, we know we're probably going to have some fuel delivery issues. So we hooked up our battery, put it on our tank, tried to get some fuel going to the engine. And when you turn the key on, the fuel pump in the VST tank does not power up. So we're gonna have the float stuck in the VST. There's some really nasty fuel. We drained the fuel out of the VST tank and it was more like molasses. And so we're gonna have a future video of the inside of the VST tank that's gonna look like chocolate. It looks like Coca-Cola is gonna be coming out of there, and it'll knock you off your feet when you go to smell it. So the next place we're going is to the VST tank to get some fuel to the engine. And I'm sure we're going to find some problems in and around here with some wiring, or the pump's not working. That's just where we're going. And I'll say that the batteries are going to probably need to be replaced. I think it said 2012 over there, if that might even be a little conservative. But this is mainly what I wanted to show on this one. This is something we had no idea that we're going to be going to this direction. You can see nothing's happening back there. Well, something little's happening back there. But not enough. So we're going to run into a little problem. You can turn the steering wheel and the motor turns, but you shouldn't have that many lock-to-locks. So that's going to have to be addressed also. So this is just, when we got it in, we noticed that there wasn't a thrust washer on the prop, and the prop was rubbing in the drive. So if someone had it taken it out, got it started, it would have chewed up the drive. But that's just where we are today.